We're going to make some doggy treats. And we're not going to edit it. The sound may be a little crazy because I don't have a microphone on or anything. So hopefully you can hear this GoPro. So we are going to start with getting the ingredients ready. You want to get up on your bench? Bobbi Jo, you want to get up on your bench? Let me find some. I've rearranged the kitchen. I don't know where anything is now. You're our pretty girl. We got to put some peanut butter. Let me go get these cans open. We don't need to open the pumpkin right now, but I'll go ahead and get it open when I got the can opener out. You're not sure about all these lights, are you? You're an awful pretty girl sitting over there on your bench. Some stinky fish. More stinky fish. We're gonna make a mess. Let me find y'all's doggy mixing bowl. We hadn't used it in a while. It's the one where you're cooking with Bobbi Jo sticker on it. All right, so we're gonna have fish. We'll need a measuring cup for some oats. I guess I need to measure this out so we can tell people how to make it, because we really don't go by measurements. We just throw stuff in a bowl until it looks good. Let me get a peanut butter spoon. We need some to mix with, which a fork usually works best. We got peanut butter, we got oats, we got fish. We need a baking pan. Go ahead and spray it with some olive oil. Make sure you can see the whole table in this and you. Your little paw there, Missy. Okay. So it's really simple to make a doggy birthday cake or a doggy treat. Isn't it, Bobby? All you got to do is get your bowl. And today we're going to be using mackerel. And Bobbi Jo loves fish. Absolutely loves fish. So we're going to get back. Get back. We're going to pour that in. Hey, leave it. Leave it. You can sniff it, but you can't eat it yet. Leave it. She's like, Mom, you're no fun. Now this does have some bones in it. Let's move this around here so we can, it's just up here. But they're small, and if you crush them, mix them together really good, crush them with a fork, they'll crush. You don't have to worry about deboning this. They're soft, and there's not really any big ones in here, so they're not going to hurt the dog or the dogs. Are they? You're breathing awful hard. Just make sure you smash it up good. Whew, that stinks. That stinks. I know you want some. I don't think this peanut butter's ever been opened. We had to get new peanut butter because we had a Jif recall, and we did use Jif, but we found out it was a Jif recall after we finished our thing of Jif, didn't we? And none of us died from it.
Okay, I know I said this was going to be an unedited version of how we make a doggy birthday cake. Well, for some reason my GoPro shut off in the middle of recording. Here's a photo of Carla when we adopted her. She was 4 months old here. Wasn't she a cutie? So the last thing I have recorded before putting the cake in the oven is me talking about peanut butter. So here's all you do to make the cake. Mix 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 1/2 cups of oats into the bowl of fish. Pour it into a greased cake pan. Place in the preheated 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. The next time I try to show you how to make a doggy treat without editing, I will just do a live. That will be more interesting anyway. Okay, back to what I have left of this video.
So we are about 10 minutes into cooking their treat. Bobbi Jo, she has her a bench over here she lays down on while she's waiting because she's just too good for the floor. And Miss Carla May, she's out and about. Come here, Carla. Come here. You want to tell them about it? That's your cake in the oven. You want to sing? You want to sing? Okay, so we pulled it out of the oven. Let me turn the oven off before I forget to turn the oven off. And we're going to let it cool. And then we will take this pumpkin here and put it on top for icing. Alright, Bobs. Here's to hoping it didn't stick where you licked that pan. Ooh, it didn't stick. You gonna come help me? Alright, you gonna help? Sit down. Oh, we're gonna have Diane interrupting our peaceful
Let me refill my Yeti and I'll take her back. Hey, Dave, you gotta be quiet, girl. Diane, you're gonna get uninvited to the birthday party, girl. Just saying. Not your tongue.
She don't know how to bite her tongue. I forgot to mix peanut butter in this, Bobby. We're gonna go with plain pumpkin. But there's peanut butter in the cake, so that should count. She says, I'm out of here. No peanut butter in the icing? No. She says, I'm out of here, y'all. You wanna add some little T-bones to it? Look at those. We'll add leave it. We're gonna do 5 T-bones. Since we got 5 doggies. Leave it. I know you like these treats. I gotta get a picture of this cake before you start biting into it. You take a little bite. You're going to take the treat off the top. As y'all see, she took her treat off the top. That's your treat, Bobby. Rest of them goes for the other doggies. I'm going to get some dog bowls and cut up their cake. Happy birthday, Miss Carla. 11 years old. You're our oldest little doggie. See, Carla put her treat to the side. Well, now she's going to have the treat. And, hey, Bobby, leave it. Is that good, Miss Carla? I keep my eye on you. You're a sneaky one. You done, Carla? Let's get Jackson a piece. Well, I guess Bobbi Jo left it alone. Guess we'll see when we look at the footage. We're going to push this one over there. These are Diana Nolan's. And you already had yours, Carla. Bobby, have you been a good girl? Did you eat any of it? Or did you leave it alone? Huh? Well, that's all there is to making a doggy birthday cake, y'all. Nothing to it. And the doggies enjoy it. And we got some left over for tomorrow. Thanks for watching Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Stay tuned next time for more jewel-worthy treats, human and doggy. Have a blessed rest of your day and a blessed week. Bye.